timu ya Obiz bachiburi SSC okuza kwikomuza kamaririzo basinjira ba Brainstorm High School omuza penalty goal na harishatu ndera abanyakasura school basinga bantare school na gora ibira hari 0.
This is Mark trying to battle it out with Emma Boy. Chiro mpira hania Joseph Seremba anapasa mpira kwa Dennis Muhaiwe.
Omuza kamaririzo chiburi SSC sinjira abanyakasura na gore mwe ahari 0 okangura impakezi ogubire guri murundo gwa kabiri empakezi okutebekanisibwa kandi zibire zishagikirwa ba PLU kandi abakurutize mukuru wihanga amazarwa g'emyaka 8.
Your voice matters. Muleke omu programs za government. Tuleke kusiba omudala twehe ebyokukora twekole mu groups.
And this is the time for the new generation to fight for the United States of Africa. And through MK, we must achieve this because we need new leaders.
Tournament egenderire kukunganya abana abashomero mu mashomero gatari gamwe na gamwe ekabarundana ekabareta hamwe kugira ngo babase creating aho memories nari shoko yijusa memories zibabene batungaho mu high school.
Ebyo bikiryaho timu y'abanyamakuru sinjire ya Mutara Town Council okurugo muri Mutoma na gore mu hari 0 omuzano gw'omukago. Omuzano ogwo guzanirwa chai cha Mutara kandi gwetabirwa mu 10 z'abahagizi kandi gwire gutebekanisibwa bakazora foundation abaraganiso gumuzamano bashagike byemizano.
Obumbire ndya kinsasize emyaka mingi kureba kwihense baho Ruhinda South na Mutoma district twakageraga omuntu urukuzana timu yihanga mbaraganise ngo sente tuzine omu myaka ena tuzakora ekiro kubasika turebuke ngo aba bantu baba traininga twagera omuntu omu timu yihanga ituka Mutara tukagera ikizubu ecyabe kigeshaye kitu kikagira issues cyaragaho so ate kintu cyo shayi twine hati so far